Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Wix store. First, choose an e-commerce template that perfectly matches your brand style. Next, add your products, ensuring each has a compelling description and high-quality images. Finally, set up your preferred payment methods, like credit card processing or PayPal, to ensure smooth and secure transactions for your customers. This foundational step is crucial for a successful online presence. Once your products are added, effective management is key. Organize them into clear categories, making it simple for customers to find exactly what they need. Keep a close eye on your inventory levels to avoid any disappointment from out-of-stock items. Also, offer various product options, like different sizes or colors, to cater to a wider audience and enhance the shopping experience. Now let's make your store truly yours. Customize the layout to perfectly showcase your brand's personality. Play with fonts, colors, and images to create a cohesive and inviting visual experience that resonates with your target audience. Remember, a well-designed store builds trust. Also, ensure your site is fully responsive, providing an excellent shopping experience on any device, from desktops to smartphones. With your store looking great, it's time to get the word out. Connect your Wix store to your social media channels to reach a broader audience. Implement some basic search engine optimization techniques to help customers find you through search engines. Consider launching with a special promotion, perhaps a 20% discount, to entice your first buyers and kickstart your sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.